best awareness to.
Hello, my name is Dr. Vivek Parakar. I am an occupational therapist for District Civil Hospital, Solapur.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nurul Paradis. I'm a physiotherapist. I have done my master's in specialized pathology. Hello, I'm Rishi Shirokar. I'm an occupational therapist currently working in Belgium. Hi, I'm Vanya Fernandez, and I'm a speech language pathologist.
Hey everyone, myself, Dr. Ravi Vattamar. I'm an occupational therapist.
First and foremost, I would like to thank SpeechGears for organizing this workshop. And it was even like good and experience. I will compare watch actress. It was really beautiful. How it does a lot. There's a lot of hands-on and instructors, but very highly informators. And we're looking forward in having more because this was level 1. There's no Hi again.
My interest to attend OSIT course rise because the place where I practice occupational therapy, I've seen a lot of kids that will come to me. They struggle to find the right speech therapist or the therapy that can enhance their speech and whatever practice that has been going on, which I found very unprofessional. So I felt that we need to myself learn the skills that can at least in some way help these kids to develop speech. And that is the reason why I gave emphasis and took efforts to attend this course and improve my knowledge.
We had lovely speakers, that is this speech language pathologist, Neha Yadav, and the occupational therapist, Mr. Baba, and they were excellent. The knowledge that they gave to us was very organized, very helpful, and everything was very streamlined, and the structure set in place was very helpful. I would have so I thought of attending this only but it can gain more knowledge in terms of how to deal with sensory issues and then motor strengthening exercises related to that and how is the integration between the OT's perspective and the speech perspective. So I got to say a lot of information when we integrate both together. So yeah, that was really very helpful. Because Neha ma'am is my senior, so I have to learn a lot from her. I've attended the OSIT workshop and it was a great experience. A 2-day workshop wherein everything has been taught so well. The practical, the theory has been cleared wonderfully. Both Dr. Baka and Neha ma'am have cleared our concepts and so taught us a different way to look at things, and each technique was taught nicely. I'm come all the way from Bahrain to attend the OSIT course by SpeechGears here in Goa, and I thought the course was very, very comprehensive, right from say anatomy to all the important points about the very unique and important sensorimotor integration in the oral system, and of course then the entire therapeutic very well shown to us with the use of SpeechGears tools. So everything was very well displayed with each tone, how will we use it, with what intensity, in which children. Every part and every detail was very well explained.
I have been here since 2 days working, attending a workshop on speech, like oromotor sensory integration organized by SpeechGears. So I would say it is a very compact, comprehensive, and very tuned program for every therapist who is working in pediatric per se and who is working in neurodevelopmental autism sensory issues cases